I'm having such a blast making these new jewelry making craft kits. Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today we're making some super cute boy-girl earrings using glass gemstone beads. You can make the earrings from this tutorial, or you can get the craft kit with all the pre-made pieces of wire and beads ready to put together to make your own earrings. I am using 20 gauge Beadalon German style wire and 6mm glass faceted beads. I have the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and the bail making pliers. I'm starting with 4 inches of 20 gauge German wire, and I'm going to form the head with the bail making pliers. So bring the wire around into a loop in the center of the wire and bend the wires down on either side to form the arms. Now I'm going to measure about 5/8 of an inch for the arm and clip it flush with the nipper tool and do the same on the other side so they're the same length. Give it a little clip. With the round nose pliers, we are going to curl the end of the wire into a closed loop. Make sure it's closed. Adjust it as you need. Flip it around and curl around the other end to form the other hand. Now we're going to tap it with the rawhide mallet. Flip it over. Give it another little tap to firm it up. And now we'll take another piece of the wire and we're going to do a little loop with the round nose pliers. Bring it around into a loop and then bend the wires down. These are going to be the legs. Bend the wire where the feet will be, just at a right angle, and do the other foot, bend it across at a right angle. Now get the round nose pliers to form the foot, bring it around, and we'll do the same on the other side. Bring the wire around to form the foot. Nice and simple. Now clip those ends with the nipper tool or your flush cutters and just press them down with the nylon jaw pliers so there's no little pokey ends. Give it a little tap with the rawhide mallet on the steel block, flip it over, and another little tap. To make the girl, we're going to do a little skirt first, so we're going to bend the wire with the round nose pliers and then bend it across towards the middle with the chain nose pliers to make the bottom of the skirt. Bring it across, flip it over, and bring it across to form a triangle. That's going to be the skirt. Adjust it as you need. And then we're going to bend the wires down at the center to form the legs. So using the chain nose pliers, bring the wires straight down. Give it a little pinch. Adjust it as you need. And then we're just going to measure to see if it will be more or less the same size as the other earring, and we'll bend it across where the feet will be. Straight across at a right angle. And then get your round nose pliers to form the feet. Very simple. Bring it right around and down. Wiggle it around to adjust the size. And on the other side, bring the wire around and down. Doesn't matter if it's to the front or back because we're going to clip them flush. So grab your cutters and give them a little flush cut so the end's going to sit right in there. And get your flat nose pliers or your chain nose pliers and give them a little pinch so there's no little pokey ends. Now we could give it a little tap with the rawhide mallet on both sides. And now we have all our components. So we'll take 1 inch of the 20 gauge German wire to attach the bead, clip it flush, and do our centered loop with the round nose pliers. We're going to add a 6mm faceted glass bead and clip the wire to about 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Grab your round nose pliers again, hold it firmly, bend it out and around to make a centered loop. Now I like to take 2 flat pliers and straighten out those loops so they're going the same direction. Open up one of the loops and we're going to slide it onto the legs and close up that loop. Now we'll open up the other loop and we will attach it to the head. So you have to wiggle it around a bit to get it right through there. It's a little bit tricky. Close it up so it's nice and flush. No pokey ends, no opening. So there's our little guy, and add the hooks and you have the little boy girl earrings. I'll put all the details and the link to my Etsy DIY shop in the description below the video. And be sure to use the coupon code SHIP3FREE to get free shipping when you order 3 or more craft kits. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. You can also join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. I also take special requests for the live streams which happen over on Wire Lady TV. Every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, I troubleshoot new designs for wire art and wire jewelry. Be sure to share photos of your creations inspired by the tutorials and tag me at Heather Boyd Wire on Facebook and Instagram. And we'll see you the next time.